Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of innovative gadgets that are not only cool, but also incredibly practical. We skirt Amazon to bring you the top 9 coolest gadgets that will make your life easier. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or simply looking to upgrade your daily routines, these gadgets are sure to impress. So let's jump right into it. 9. Rari 2 Smart Writing Notebook. The Rari 2 Smart Writing Notebook represents a cutting-edge evolution in traditional note-taking and sketching technology. Built upon its predecessor's success, this device seamlessly integrates the familiarity of pen and paper with modern digital functionality. It features an exceptionally responsive, pressure-sensitive writing surface that captures every stroke with precision, ensuring a natural writing experience akin to using a traditional pen. What sets Rari 2 apart is its ability to digitize handwritten notes and sketches in real time, transmitting them to a paired smartphone or tablet via Bluetooth. This feature not only preserves the authenticity of handwritten work, but also enhances productivity by allowing users to instantly share or edit their creations digitally. The notebook's ergonomic design ensures comfort during prolonged use, while its intuitive companion app provides a user-friendly interface for organizing, editing, and sharing digital files. 8. Ultrasonic Cleaning Machine 45,000 Hz. An ultrasonic cleaning machine operating at 45,000 Hz utilizes high-frequency sound waves to achieve thorough cleaning of various objects and materials. This technology works by generating ultrasonic vibrations through a transducer immersed in a cleaning solution, typically water or a specialized solvent. The rapid oscillation of these waves creates millions of tiny bubbles in the liquid, which collapse violently upon contact with the surface of the object being cleaned. An ultrasonic cleaning machine operating at 45,000 Hz is at the higher end of the frequency spectrum typically used for industrial and specialized cleaning purposes. The ultrasonic waves generated at this frequency are particularly effective for removing stubborn contaminants such as oils, greases, and residues from intricate surfaces and complex geometries. 7. Multifunction Hammer. A multifunction hammer is a modern marvel in the realm of hand tools, offering versatility and convenience like no other. Combining the essential functions of a hammer with a variety of additional tools, these devices are designed to handle a multitude of tasks with efficiency and ease. At its core, a hammerhead serves its traditional purpose of driving nails and delivering controlled impacts, essential for construction, repairs, and DIY projects. Opposite the hammerhead, the claw provides a robust prying tool for removing nails or separating materials. What sets multifunction hammers apart is their integration of supplementary tools into a single compact unit. These may include screwdrivers of various sizes, both flathead and Phillips, often housed in the handle or equipped with interchangeable bits for versatility. Some models incorporate pliers for gripping and manipulating objects, wire cutters for snipping cables, and even utility knives or saw blades for cutting through materials. This diversity makes multifunction hammers indispensable for tasks ranging from home maintenance and furniture assembly to outdoor activities like camping, where space and weight are at a premium. 6. Gypsum Board Cutting Tool. A gypsum board cutting tool, also known as a drywall or plasterboard cutter, is a specialized tool designed for accurately and efficiently cutting gypsum boards. These tools are essential in construction, renovation, and DIY projects where precise cutting of drywall panels is required. Typically, gypsum board cutting tools feature a sharp blade or cutting wheel that scores the surface of the board without tearing or cracking the material. This scoring creates a clean and precise cut along the length or width of the drywall sheet. Some models may include additional features such as adjustable cutting depths for varying thicknesses of drywall, ergonomic handles for comfort during prolonged use, and built-in rulers or guides to ensure accurate measurements. The design of these tools minimizes dust and mess typically associated with cutting drywall, making them convenient for indoor use. Gypsum board cutting tools come in various forms, including manual handheld cutters and powered tools like rotary cutters or oscillating multi-tools with drywall-specific blades. These tools not only save time and effort, but also contribute to achieving professional quality results in drywall installation and finishing tasks, making them indispensable for contractors, carpenters, and DIY enthusiasts alike. 5. Neck light. A neck light, also known as a hands-free neck lamp or neck flashlight, is a wearable illumination device designed to provide convenient and directed lighting in various situations. This innovative gadget typically consists of a lightweight and flexible band that comfortably rests around the neck with adjustable arms or flexible stems that hold LED light modules. The primary advantage of a neck light is its hands-free functionality, allowing users to illuminate their workspace, read, or perform tasks without needing to hold a traditional flashlight or wear a headlamp. This makes it ideal for activities such as crafting, reading in bed, camping, hiking, or working in dark or confined spaces where maneuverability and precise lighting are essential. Neck lights often offer adjustable brightness settings and may feature rechargeable batteries for extended use, ensuring reliable performance over time. 4. 3D Coil Puna Multitool. The 3D Coil Puna Multitool is a versatile and compact tool designed to meet the needs of outdoor enthusiasts, DIY enthusiasts, and everyday users alike. Combining functionality with portability, this multi-tool offers a wide range of features that make it indispensable in various situations. The 3-coil Puna multi-tool features a robust stainless steel construction, ensuring durability and reliability even under tough conditions. The tool incorporates 3 main functions: pliers, wire cutters, and a sturdy knife blade. These elements alone make it suitable for tasks ranging from simple repairs to more intricate projects that require precision and strength. Beyond its fundamental tools, the Puna multi-tool includes additional implements such as a saw blade, a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a bottle opener. 3. AI-powered 4K voice control webcam. The AI-powered 4K voice control webcam represents a significant leap forward in webcam technology, integrating advanced features that enhance user experience and functionality. At its core, this webcam harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to deliver crisp 4K video resolution, ensuring clear and detailed visuals for video calls, streaming, and recording. One of the standout features of this webcam is its voice control capability, which allows users to operate the device hands-free. By simply issuing voice commands, such as adjusting settings, starting or stopping recordings, or even switching between different modes, users can streamline their workflow and focus more on their tasks at hand. The AI technology embedded in the webcam enhances its performance in various ways. 2. Asust X smartwatch. The Asust X smartwatch is a futuristic and innovative wearable device that combines cutting-edge technology with sleek design to offer a unique user experience. Unlike traditional smartwatches, the Asust X features a curved AMOLED display that wraps around the wrist, providing a more immersive and comfortable viewing experience. One of the standout features of the Asust X is its curved 2.07-inch AMOLED display. This large, flexible screen not only enhances visibility but also allows for more information to be displayed at once, such as notifications, health metrics, and workout data. The curvature of the display conforms naturally to the wrist, making it ergonomic and reducing the risk of discomfort during prolonged wear. In terms of health and fitness tracking, the Asust X offers comprehensive monitoring capabilities. It can track heart rate continuously throughout the day, monitor sleep patterns, and provide insights into stress levels through its built-in sensors. Additionally, it supports multiple sports modes, accurately recording various activities such as running, cycling, and swimming, thanks to its water resistance up to 50 meters. 1. V5 Electric Unicycle with Protective Cover. The V5 Electric Unicycle with Protective Cover combines innovative design with practical features to offer a convenient and enjoyable riding experience for enthusiasts of electric personal mobility devices. The V5 Electric Unicycle is designed for maneuverability and portability. Its single-wheel design and self-balancing technology make it intuitive to ride, allowing users to navigate through urban environments with ease. The electric motor provides efficient propulsion, enabling speeds suitable for commuting or leisurely rides, typically reaching up to 15 to 20 kilometers per hour. And there you have it. Top 9 coolest gadgets that will make your life easier. From Amazon, which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews and gadget recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.